Hello everyone. In this video we are gonna learn how we will combine the values of two cells without using any function. Here we will discuss one bonus tip as well, in which we will do the calculation of numbers and we will incorporate one text, and again we will do the calculation. If you will calculate the total of these two sums, but you won't get anything. But the tip I'm gonna share with you, you can do the calculation and you will get the result with these text values as well. Let's begin. So we are not gonna use any function provided for combining the multiple values of the different cells. We are gonna use simple trick. So select the cell, then equal sign, and give the reference of this text and type ampersand and use the cell reference for combining and press enter. Both the text and the number has been combined, but you cannot see any space in between. So you can do just double click or press F2, and after the ampersand we have to enter double quotation mark and give space or any text or minus sign or any other sign or text which you want to put in between. So I'm gonna give space, then again inverted commas, and then you have to again type the ampersand and then press enter. So now we can see a space between these values. If you want to put some sign like this, so you can enter, it looks good. We can incorporate any sign if you want. So just double click, remove this one, and before the number, after some space, give the dollar sign, press enter like this. You can save it, and you can see this formula is dynamic. Dynamic means whenever we change any value, let's say I wanna change the value from here, so it will change automatically here. Now I'm gonna give you one more trick in which we will use the formatting here, in which we will use the text formatting. So here we have given this one, so instead of given a dollar sign, I want to automatically create a format. So for that you have to remove this one and just input some space, and then here we will use text function. So what is the use of this text function? It gives you the proper custom format or different format provided by the Excell in the main formatting options. So here we have to give the reference of the cell for which you want to do the formatting, then press comma, and here we have to give one formatting syntax for the formatting. But we cannot remember all the formatting, so there is no problem. First of all, you give the two quotation mark and close the bracket, press enter. Now we cannot see the number because it is converted into the text, but we have not yet provided any particular format for this. So for this, what you have to do is just to right click and go to the format cell and go to the customs. So from here you have to select a particular format. Let's say I want 1000 comma as well, similar to this formatting. For this we can use this one or maybe this one. So what you have to do, you have to copy this and then cancel, and then double click over here and give your formatting here and then enter, and you have to copy and paste like this. And now we can see 1000 comma is also coming with the number. If you remove the comma from here, it will also display like this. If you want to incorporate the dollar sign, you can do in the similar way we did before. Here you can incorporate the dollar sign. There is one way, and the next way is similar. Again, come to the format, select the custom, and from here you can select the sign, incorporate the dollar sign, comma, select all, copy and OK, and then double click, change this formatting, press enter, and you got the, and you have to remove this comma as well. You have to remove the comma, enter, and boom, you got your dollar sign with the number, and all this function is dynamic. In this bonus trick, now I want to calculate the sum of the sales and the text in this cell. If I do like this, we are getting nothing because we have incorporated the text with this sum and Excel considering this as a text. So here is a trick how we can calculate. So instead of putting the sales in this way, we have to remove. So for this, first of all, we have to calculate the sum. Go to the right click, format cell, select the custom and select this option, and before this one you have to type sales like this and press OK. This sales must be in inverted commas and then OK. And if you select this cell, we can see the function sum, not the sales. In the similar way, if I copy paste here, right click, go to the custom cell and change this sales to text. So system will calculate the sum and also we are getting the total of these amount. Now the Excel is considering the number, not the text. So I hope this simple trick will help you in combining the values of the multiple cells. Also you can do the calculation. Thank you for watching. If you're new to, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment. Thank you once again. Please, thank you for watching. Please come back again.